Bird Brain, and welcome to a Bird Brain and Friends Christmas. Ouch. Oh man, this is gonna be awesome. Yeah, go. Ring the doorbell. Doing the dishes and baking a cake. Do. I wonder who that can be. Hello? Hey, get away from me, you stupid bear! My back! Sweet. Meanwhile, wow, what a beautiful tree. Now all that's left to do is put on the star. What you doing, Bird Brain? Well, I was just about to put the star on the tree. Oh, let me help. Oh my God! Ah! Ah! Hey guys, we're gonna need another tree. Here, I'll get one on my computer. No. This one looks pretty good, but, Wow, that order sheet was pretty complicated. You guys should just go out and chop down a tree. I'll try to get one here. Okay. Do you really wanna hurt me? Do you really wanna make me cry? Yes, I do wanna make you cry. Oh, well, don't, okay? At the forest. Okay, you guys go look for a tree. I'll tell you if it's good or not. Oh, and Scraff, stop dancing. Make me. Satan? Yeah? That's a giant carrot. Oh, well, excuse me, Mr. Picky. This is taking forever. And here's Jacko. Hey, shut up. I have trouble answering questions. I got it! Invalid parameters. Self-destruct and... You didn't tell me when you'd self-destruct. You just did. Shut up, you humanoid. Ow! Where'd you get that thing? From you. No! Hey, Jacko, we couldn't find the tree. Me neither. Hello? Hi, I brought you guys a treat because I felt sorry for you. Oh, well, we kinda felt sorry for you. Because Jacko and Flap blasted you out of a giant mousetrap. It was Jacko and Flap? Ah! Oh no! Ah! Oh! Ah! Ah! Oh! Living and dying, laughing and crying, we'll do what's needed to navigate the stage. Life is the battling, it's the balancing, hard and saving is duty and me. Won't stop rest, down in my life, I can't think it any other way. Won't stop rest, down and let it pass, want you to take your breath away. Nothing, full speed or nothing. I'm taking down your world, everything my way. It can you be